What's going on, guys? This is Edgar, the grind don't stop. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Hopefully you guys are staying busy. So for today's video, we want to share with you guys our biggest job that we've done so far. We're gonna do a 1-year ceramic coating on this Ford F-150 that you see behind me, and we're gonna do a complete interior detail as well. And we want to share with you how we actually got this customer. So let's get into it.
First thing we did was we already took care of the wheels. That's pretty straightforward, so we didn't really show y'all that. And then I already sprayed down the engine bay and shined it. But first thing that we did is did the pre-foam. What I used today was the CARPRO Lift high pH active soap. It does have a high alkaline content. We do let it sit for like 2 to 5 minutes, it depends. Right now it's kind of cloudy, so I'm kind of taking advantage of that the sun's not out, so we kind of just let the soap kind of do a sting, dwell on the paint. But yeah, after that we're just gonna rinse it, and then we're gonna do our contact wash after that. We'll have the link for the CARPRO soap in the description if you want to check it out. I highly recommend this. I usually use it to help strip the waxes and help get the dirt off the paint. So yeah, check it out. Okay guys, so we already did the contact wash, and at the same time we actually did the clay bar process also. And then right now did already spray the iron remover on the paint, so I'm kind of letting that sit for like 3 to 5 minutes. Also the sun's not out. Actually, it might rain here pretty soon, but I'm letting the iron remover sit. Let me show you what clay bar I'm using in the iron remover. The clay bar I'm using is a synthetic clay pad. It's this Nanoskin, medium grade. This is for one of the other ones we used to use, but right now we've been using this Nanoskin synthetic clay pad. So far, I really like it just because it's reusable. If you drop it, you can wash it off, keep reusing it. So that's why I really like these versus the original clay. And then for the iron remover, we are using K&S Iron Buster. You can use this on wheels and paint, but usually I just use it for the paint, for the iron remover process. And originally we did use the CARPRO Iron X, but it's a little bit more expensive than the P&S. So we went ahead and just bought the iron remover. If you guys want to check any of this out, make sure you just check it out in the description.
So we actually got this job because of the body shop that we're doing the work for. They wanted to do a ceramic coating for one of their customers. So they asked us if we could do it, and we told them that we could. We gave them our pricing on it, and they agreed to it. We told them, what to expect from it. And we set up a day we could do it, and then we told them that we could do it either in the other shop that we use, or right now we're actually in Nathan's house. So if it does start raining, which it might, we'll have to pull it in. But we already emptied the garage. So if we need to, we'll pull the truck in. But so far, everything's going pretty smooth. Excited because it's a big job for us. It's just the start of the summer, so we're excited for all the new things that are gonna come our way. All right, Nathan, how's it going?
Pretty good. We already finished the interior, like vacuum, wipe down, windows and all that. And I already finished the paint correction on the outside. Overall, I think it came out pretty good. Truck actually had very minimal swirl marks, where it was kind of pretty hard to see. And then also I had just light scratches here and there. But overall, it went by pretty smoothly. So we're gonna go ahead and actually just pull the truck in the garage just to kind of get out the sun for a little bit, and then apply the ceramic coating. All right, so since we're done with the paint correction, we're gonna go ahead and apply the ceramic coating. Actually, the ceramic coating that we're using today is the GYEON CANCOAT. It's a 1-year coating, pretty user-friendly. You can apply it outdoors, at least that's what is advertised. Is easy to use. You can apply it outdoors. The customer today just wanted the 1 year. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're about to go ahead and pull the truck in the garage and apply it. All right, guys, we actually just finished up. The vehicle came out great. Paint looks super glossy, paint feels smooth. But in total, it took us about 8 hours to complete the whole ceramic coating. So the wash, paint prep, like clay bar, iron remover, polishing. We also did the interior also. So like, you know, just the normal, you know, wipe down, vacuum, all that good stuff. So all that was, you know, we did all that in 8 hours. We're probably gonna be charging around $850 to $900.
Really grateful so far. Everything's been happening for us in 2023. We really want to focus on ceramic coatings. We want to do those higher ticket items. We've come a long way from just charging $35 to this one that we're going to charge around $900. So we're super excited for all the opportunities that have been happening our way. It just shows that, you know, if you put in the work, if you know, wake up early, do the research, you know, network with people, and then put in those long hours, you know, these type of things are going to happen. This has been a great opportunity for us, and I encourage you, if you haven't started your business, go ahead and do it. The summer is here. Everyone's gonna want to detail. I know there's a lot of competition out there, but you have to stand up from the competition, and you have to keep on grinding, keep on hustling every day. Every new day that you have is a new opportunity for you to go out there and just get that money. One final note, we're gonna take a day off for tomorrow, or we're gonna do some ceramic training because we really want to focus on that a lot more. So we are gonna be recording tomorrow. We're gonna be getting some training from a local detailer in the area. And you guys might already know him, but we're gonna record with him and we'll show you who that is in the next video. So I appreciate you guys watching. You guys be safe, you guys take care. Let's go get that money.